Hi, in this video, we'll go through the step-by-step guide on how to use Carousel in a regular Facebook post. So the first step is to open your Facebook page. So right now we are in this dummy Facebook page that I've created, Rizal Clothing Company. So what you do is you go and click Publishing Tools. It's just a bit slow. And then once that is open, you go look for Creator Studio. So click on Creator Studio. And then what you need to do is click Post Something. Okay, an important note here is that in order for you to do a carousel-like post in a regular Facebook post, it needs to have a website link. So maybe you have a website or a landing page. So you need to copy paste it here in this section. So for this case, I will go to the Wix page of Rizal Clothing. Alright, so copy it and paste it here. So what that does is it extracts the images from the website, and if you see down below, it extracted 5 images. But of course, the objective of creating a carousel ad is probably you have other photos, static photos that you want to specifically use. So for this case, you just uncheck and just leave one so that it does not disappear. The challenge here is the total images that will appear here is only up to 10. So meaning if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images that are existing that was downloaded from your website, that means that you can only add 5 more for 5 more images. So that's a bit of a limitation. So it really depends if it extracts X number of images from the link that you post, that you copy paste. So let's go through that process. So I will add now the images that I intend to show in the carousel post. So here, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just a little bit slow, but let's be patient. Okay, so if you look down here, so all the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 images that I've selected is now in the carousel post that we will do. So since this one you don't really probably intend to use it, unless if you do, I'll just unclick that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So meaning to say there's already 10 images here. So that means I can't add any more images. So if I do, you will see here that it will have a warning sign, just to show you. Alright, it's a bit slow. Fetching. Yeah, so there you go. So what it basically says that it's only up to 10 images. So whether you check or uncheck the images, if there are a total of 10 images below, that's the limitation. So here I've selected just the 5 images that I downloaded from a file. So let's see here. So that's one. So you see all of these, and then on the last part is the logo. and the link to your website, the one that you've posted above. Okay, so what else can you do with this? You can actually edit the link, the destination URL, but most likely I would say I would recommend just leave it as is. So meaning to say, if they click on any of the images, it will directly link to your website or that landing page that you've selected. This one though, you can edit, so it depends on what you want to place here. So let's just say new style, summer. And the next one, if you wanna have a spring collection, and so on and so forth. So here on top, you can delete this. Wait 1 second. Go back. Here you can delete this one, and you can put in whatever text you wish. New collection out now. For example. So there. So we've got 5 unique images that we've uploaded, and now we shall publish it, and let's see how it looks like. Oh yeah, just a tip, try not to click any of these buttons below, otherwise you're gonna have to repeat the whole process again. It's gonna erase whatever you've done. So I would suggest, if you do this carousel post, just try not to press any of the buttons below except for publish. So let's publish it. Okay, so let's refresh. Should be there. Okay, wait, let's just check. Let's check here. Result clothing. Let's see if it's published. Let's refresh it. There you go. So let me just change the view. I'll change to this view. Okay, so here you go. You have the carousel post, and if you click on the image, as I've said, it will bring you to that link that you've copy pasted. Alright, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.